guys, we're gonna do the Siserov Mante, meat dumpling with chickpeas. It's an excellent family dish for winter season. So for our Siserov Mante, we need beef chunk, bay leaves, peppercorn, onion, salt, chickpeas, tomato paste, pepper paste, lemon, some dried mint, butter, Mante, we've made it before, check our video, and some garlic. What we will start with is we will fry our meat. Heat on, a little bit of olive oil, and I will put my meat. I will add onion, some peppercorn, bay leaves. I will add the water. When the water starts to boil, skim off the fat and leave it boiling for 45 minutes until the meat is really tender. It's been 40 minutes, should be ready. Oh yes. Color is beautiful, smell is wonderful. Okay, I will remove my onion and bay leaves. I like to keep my peppers inside, you can remove it also. I will add some water, add my pepper paste, tomato paste. If you don't want to use meat, you just can use stock. I will leave to boil. I already boiled my chickpeas. Look, it's soft and tender. I boiled it for half an hour, okay? So just add these chickpeas. Until a final boil, I will start frying my garlic. You can have butter or you can have with olive oil. I will do it with olive oil. Garlic. Once my garlic starts to be white, I add my mint. Alright. Before I add my mint, I will add my lemon. Final boil, and then I'll add my meat. Now everything is in it. Just before you serve, before 3 minutes, 4 minutes of serving, you just put the Mante. Otherwise, it will be too much cooked. It will be like very doughy. Because our Mante is already cooked, so you don't need it. Just gotta give the flavors. Look, you have all the colors, the taste, the smell, everything is there. Cold winter, nice soup. You have this, you have a full tummy, and you can go to bed easily. All right, ready to taste. Already the smell, the garlic and the mint doesn't leave any place. You know, you're eating with all your senses. It's really, really extremely tasty. It's so easy. It's fun cooking it. You just have to try it. Try it and you will love it.